Hello guys, my name is Aman Kumar. Welcome to Amanwani Company. Now I'm going to explore the Python on VS Code. So what we have to do first, type on search bar, that is Python. Type Python here, Python download, Python download, click on search bar and download from here, Python download. Okay, this is the version for Windows, Linux, Mac, as well as Android other. So download Python install manager for Windows. Click on this. You will. Okay, I'm cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. So just go to the VS Code and you can download Git also. Code, just I'm opening the VS Code and I'm here from extension. This is extension. Okay, from from search bar, search extension, the Python here, Python. Python debugger, Python. Click on Python and install it here because I have already installed. It is showing uninstall. So download Python, Pylance, and Python environment. Okay, Python debugger. All will be used in writing code. Then just type Cloud extension. We are going to plug in Cloud Code for VS Code. Install it. We are going to install it. Okay. It is installing. Just wait for a moment. Just wait for a moment. It is installing already. And through this VS Code, we can also plug in Cline, plug in Git, and it is installing. Just wait for a moment. It is installing. Yes, it is installed now. We are going to plug in Docker also. Docker, which is developed by Microsoft. It is installing right now. Just wait for a moment. It is downloaded already. Now I am going to plugin Cline. Which is very useful for generating code. Client I have already downloaded. it, so it is showing uninstall. You can install here. So we have plugin lots of applications here. So now I'm going to file and explore some. This is let just print work and thing from here on. Press shift and enter. The tool is good. It is executing. It is executed. Work and learn theme from run. I'm printing. Just type print and writing here Python. Python is a great language. Shift enter. Yes, it is showing Python is a great language. Now I'm writing here A is equal to 54, B equal to 64, print no. A and B, shift and enter. Let us see. It is showing 118. Similarly, if D equal to 54 and E equal to 67, then I'm printing print D multiple E. I'm executing. This is 3618. Now I'm writing F is equal to 4.984 and here I'm typing type F, shift enter. Now it is showing float. So this is the Python and we are using Python and we know that the Python is a very easy language which is used for applications including web development and scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence and many more things. So it is very most popular program in the world and it is very easy language. So I think it is sufficient for this Python video and if you like my video then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in another video. So subscribe my video, you will get notified. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.